Ever dreamed of transforming your Minecraft world from drab to dazzling, turning barren patches into bursting green oases for your farms and builds? Well, you're in luck today. We're diving into the satisfying process of making dirt into grass in Minecraft, a fundamental skill for any aspiring builder or farmer. The secret weapon for this transformation, it's none other than a trusty sapling. These little sprouts are the seeds of your verdant future. Different tree types yield different saplings, like oak, birch, spruce, jungle, acacia, and dark oak. You can find saplings by breaking leaves on trees. The more you chop, the more saplings you'll gather. Don't forget to replant some trees to keep your sapling supply flowing. Now, for the real magic to accelerate the grass growth, we'll use some bone meal. This is crafted from skeletons, so venturing into caves or finding some zombie remains is your next step. Once you have your bone meal, simply right-click on the planted sapling. Watch as it instantly grows into a young tree. And there you have it. This process not only gives you a tree but also spreads the grass around the base of its trunk. The more trees you plant and grow, the wider your green carpet will spread. For larger areas, simply repeat this process. Plant a sapling, use bone meal to grow a tree, and then collect more saplings from the leaves. You can even plant multiple saplings close together to create denser forests. This is especially useful for creating expansive farmland or just beautifying those dull, dirt-filled areas. Imagine turning a vast desert into a lush savanna or a rocky wasteland into a vibrant forest. So, go forth, gather those saplings and bones, and start painting your Minecraft world a beautiful, vibrant green, happy building.